the real magic of the numbers is going to start. Here the question is, find the unit digit of 8 to the power 23. Okay. If anyone write 8 to the power 23 means 23 times, it's highly impossible. Means 8 into 8 into 8 is like 23 times. Is it possible to write? It's highly possible to complete, means calculation. Okay. So what is the technique we can use here? Once we will check it. Suppose power is 23. Power is 23. Okay. Then in 8 to the power means in 8 powers, the unit digits what will come once we will write it in a 8 table in the powers. So what it will come? So first 8, 6, 4, 2, 6. So once again it is repeat on. Means these 4 digits will come in a unit digit of 8. Suppose if anybody have the doubt, means once you can check 8 to the power 1, 8. 8 to the power 2, 64. 8 to the power 3. So 8 4 is 32, upside 3, 8 6 is 48, plus 3, 51. 8 to the power of 4. See, unit digit 8, 4, 2, 6. 8, 4, 6, 2, 6. Afterwards, once again 8 to the power 5. See, in 8 to the power 5. See, here 8 6 48. Means first one is repeating. So that's why I am stopping here. Now, means it's a number. How many digits are repeating? 4 digits. So now we want to do 23. So divide 23 by 4. So 4 table. 4 table, where it will go? So 4 6 24. 4 5 20. So remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. See, 8 to the power 1, 2, 3. So 3 came. So 3 is answer is 2. So unit digit of 8 to the power 23 is 2. Got an idea? The next question is, find the unit digit of the 2 to the power 2020. I taken that year. So this is 2020 year. Na? So suppose if we write 2020 times, then we will get the answer. But is it possible to write it on a board? It's highly impossible. Suppose I like, suppose 2 into dash 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 up to 2020 times. So it's impossible. But there's a logic is there. Suppose 2 to the power 1, it's 2. 2 to the power 2, it's 4. 2 to the power 3, it's 8. 2 to the power of 4, it's 16. 2 to the power of 5, it's 32. So once again the 2 is repeating. So for unit digit is 2, 4, 8, 6. 4 digits will come. So in 2 to the power, what are the digits it will come? Four digits. What are they? Same 2, 4, 8, 6. You should write this one in same order. You should not change it. If you change, then you will get the different answer. Here now it's a number is 4. So now 2020 and we are going to divide by the 4. Why I am taking 4? Here because the 4 digits are there. Why I am taking the 4? 4 digits are coming. So that's why I am taking with a 4. So now how we'll do? See, single digit it won't go. So then you want to take the 2 digits. 2, 4, 5s are 20. Then downside 2. So 4 zeros are 0. Once again downside 2. And next this 0. 4, 5s are 20. So now we got the 0. What we got? We got the 0. Then what is the unit digit of this? What is the unit digit of this number? Anybody guys? Yeah, unit digit of 2 to the power 2020 is I am writing directly 6. What is the answer? That 2 to the power 2020, the unit digit is 6. I think most of the members they got the doubt. Sir, how you write that? See, now I will check. See, 1 means 1 remains means 2. 2 remains means 4. So then as like it's go on. Now I will check for these ones because 6 here we got now. Here we got the 6. So number is 16. So what we want to do? We want to do by the 4. See, 4 4s are 16. We got the 0. So by using that technique, I wrote the unit digit of 2 to the power 2020 is 6. Yeah. The next question is find the unit digit of 3 to the power 2020. Now I change the base. So base is 3 here. So first we will write 3. In a 3 table what will come? First we will write 3 to the power 1 value 3. 3 to the power 2 value 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 to the power of 3 value it's 27. 3 to the power 4 value it's 81. Once again see 3 to the power of 5 value. So once again the 3 is repeating. So we want to take only 4 numbers. So in 3 to the power what we will get? Number serially. That's 3, 9, 7, 1. So 3, 9, 7, 1 as a unit digits. So now what we want to do? We want to take the 2020 with the what table? See here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So we want to do by the 4. With the 4 table. So 4 5s are 20. So next one is 2. So and the next one is 20. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. Means what number will come? So unit digit of 3 to the power 2020 is 1. Why I am taking 1? Because it's a 0. If it come 1 means 3 will come, 2 means remainder means 9 will come, 3 means 27. When it will go perfectly means plus a remainder is 0, then we want to take the last one, that is 1. Here find the unit digit of 9 to the power 999. So 9 table. First we will check for the 9. See 9 to the power 1 9. 9 to the power 2 81. 9 to the power 3, 729. So 9 is repeating. So only 2 digits it will come. In 9 only 2 digits. That are, first one is 9, second one is 1. Means now we want to do with the 2 table. What we want to take? 2 table. See, 2 table we want to take, and 999. With the 2 table, 2 fours are 8. So 1 remains. 9 downside. 2 nines are 18. So 1 remains. So this 9. So next one, 2 nines are 18. So 1 remains. 1 means first one. What is the first one? It's a 9. So unit digit of 9 to the power of 999 is 9. It's a very simple now. The next topic is a test of the divisibility. Means by taking the different numbers without doing the actual division, if we check that number is divisible by that number or not. So that one you are going to learn in this exercise. Here the first one is a test of the divisibility by 2. So suppose when you are doing by the 2, so that number is divisible by 2 or not, by seeing the number only we can say. How? See, here the definition is as like, so a natural number is divisible by 2 if its a unit digit is divisible by 2. Means, suppose example, so 1 3 5 4 7 8. See, if it 8 is a divisible, then the whole number is divisible. So 8 is a even number, so every even number is divisible by 2. So that's why the whole number is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. So in that, see, here they given that the unit place is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So once we will check it by taking some example. Suppose 1 1 1 1 1 and 2 3 2 3 2 5 9 8 8 9 5 7 0 8 0 9 0. So we'll check for this 4 numbers. So what is the principal? Unit digit. So check it, the unit digit. Here unit digit is a 1. 1 is there in our definition. So 1 is a odd number. So it is not divisible. So not divisible by 2. So then here it is a 2. So it is divisible. It is not divisible. It is divisible. Means by checking that unit digit, you can decide it that number is divisible by 2 or not very easily. So once again I will repeat the definition. So a natural number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is divisible by 2. So the unit place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So the person who know the definition of the even number, this one they can remember very easily. Each and every definition you write it in your notes. Test of divisible by 3. A natural number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits. So we'll take one example here. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sum of the digits. So sum of the digits is sum of the digits means what? See, first one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equals to, see, 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. So 15 is divisible by 3, means if we do divisible by the 3, then if it go, then we say it is divisible by 3, means without doing the actual division, just by using the logic, means by sum of the digits, if it is divisible by 3, then we can say that number is divisible by 3. So now we can write, so 1 2 3 4 5 is divisible by very easily. Got an idea? Okay. Now I take another example. Here that's 2,14,322. So sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So that is, see, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. See, if we check 14, say 3 4 12, 2 remains, so it won't go. So then 14 is not divisible by 3. So finally we can conclude that 21432 is not divisible by 3. Got an idea? I given one positive example and one negative example. Means one number is divisible by 3. The second number is not divisible by 3. You can apply this logic for all the problems. Test of divisibility by 4. A natural number is divisible by 4 if the number are formed by its last two digits in the same order. That's tens and units digit. Okay, I will take one example. So I taken here the 2,34,524. We see, don't bother about the number, just only logic. Last two digits. Last two digits means either. So last two digits. So last two digits means a unit digit and tens digit. Only we want to check for this. So here this is 24. Some people, they may think last two digits means they may think this 2 and 3. No, only 2 4. This also in the order, means the same order. So tens digit only, unit digit only. You should write the same. So 2 4 you should write see, if it is a general number, that's we'll read as like 24 na? So you should read as like only. So then we want to check with the 4. See, 4 6 24. So it is divisible by 4. So 24 is divisible by 4. Then we can write 2 3 4 5 2 4 is divisible by 4, because by the definition, see, in the definition itself they given a natural number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits in the same order. We are taking the same order, and the last two digits means unit digit and tens digit. Okay, so unit digit and tens digit means, see, this 2 and 4. 2 and 4 same order, we are taking this here. So this number is divisible by 4. So we checked with 4. 4 6 24. So remainder is 0. Then it is divisible by 4. Means 24 is divisible by 4. Then we can write this number is divisible by 4. So that's why I wrote 2,34,524 is divisible by 4. Here I am going to take one different example. The number is 25,600. Okay, is it this number is divisible by 4 or not? We want to check. Last two digits. See, last two digits is 0 0. So if we do division by the 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0. Okay, then we can say this number is divisible by 4. Some people they may get the doubt, sir, how with a 0 directly you are writing. Okay, once we will check it with the 4 table. So 2 5 6 00. See 4 table, 4 6 24. So 25 minus 4 is 1. So next 6. So 4 4's 16. So then here the 1 0. So 4 zeros 0. And next digit is 0 here. 4 zeros 0. So we got remainder as a 0. Cross verification also you can do. Suppose 6400 into 4. See 400 400 4 4 is 16 upside 1 4 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Got an idea? So when the two zeros are there, that time that number is divisible by 4. We will take one the negative one also. Suppose same one I am showing, only single digit. So single digit I am changing here 50. So this as an example. So last 50. 50 is divisible by 4? No. 50 is not divisible by 4. Suppose if we take 4 table, 50, 4 ones 4, 1 remains 0, 4 twos 8, so 2 remains. So then 2550 is not divisible by 4. So we can write 2550 is not divisible by 4. So one example I taken as a positive, one example I taken as a negative. Test of divisible by 5 means the given number is divisible by 5 or not. The definition they given here is like a natural number is divisible by 5 if its a unit digit is either 0 or 5. Means if the unit digit is 0 or 5, so then we can say the number is divisible by 5. So we'll take some examples. Suppose example 1 I am taking. See, I taken here the 4 examples. First one is the 12,345. So I never read that number as like means 12,345. Just I will consider only that 1 2 3 4 5. So unit digit is a 5. See here, unit digit is what? 5. So then according to definition, so 1 2 3 4 5 is divisible by 5. See here the unit digit is 7. So 3 5 6 5 7 is not divisible by 5. See here 0. So according to definition it is there. So we can write directly. So 1000 10,000 is so then it is 6, so it is not divisible. I think by the, if you remember the definition, then you can write for any number very easily. So homework, find the unit digit of the following numbers. So I given here the A to K. So once you go through that and do the problems.